Are you ready to multiply your happiness and success in 2021? Here is the happiness and success plan for you for 2021. All right. So we have a calendar itself prepared for 2021, and that is going to be like January. We are starting with this amazing journey called 365 days of happiness and success journey. There are a couple of you who have already registered for this program. If you have not registered, please register as early as possible, because we are going to be closing by December 30th, the registrations. And I don't want you to even wait for December 30th. Just go ahead, because for 1 year, we are helping you, we are on a daily basis, train your mind for happiness and success, where by sending you a WhatsApp message or a video or an activity or a challenge. It will be a affirmation, everything will be there. In this 1 year, it is going to be like a roller coaster for you on happiness and success. And after this 1 year, if you have continuously contributed and participated into whatever we are sending, all you need to invest is 15 minutes of your time and rupees 1 every day. So these are the two things. Rupees 1 you have already paid. Okay, the 15 minutes of your time for your happiness and success, if you are ready to invest, then I would say you will be seeing the result of it. All right, this is called the, for January, we have this course open as of now. February, we have NLP Basic Practitioner course. Okay, so currently we have it as an offer price, and basically speaking, the certificate is going to come directly from US Federation of NLP. It is recognized internationally, valid internationally. It is the most recognized organization for NLP. What is NLP? I have a video for it, so I will put it and I will show you. See, NLP is way of living your life to ensure that you are able to program your mind and understand and help others program their mind for happiness and success. Okay, that is called NLP in one line. You can program your mind and you can help others program their mind for happiness and success. And NLP will, by learning all the techniques of NLP, you will actually be able to identify what are the hurdles that is not allowing you to reach that happiness and success in your life, and just chuck them out. Fear, anger, any kind of emotions, everything will be chucked out. So this is the, I would say, the magic of NLP. And in March, we have our Ignite Your Life course. Okay, Ignite Your Life live sessions are going to happen in March. But if you want, see, once you attend a program, you are always, anytime you can actually come back and attend it, except for NLP. And except for NLP, all the other trainings, once you attend, any number of time you can attend it free of cost. Only for NLP, it will be minimum charge for attend if you want to re-attend. But for all the other courses of ours, we have it free of cost if you want to come back and attend any number of times. So if you want, Ignite Your Life course is already available in the e-commerce site. You can buy, you can view those courses in your own time frame and finish the 10 hours. And also, if you want, you can again come and attend it later on when we are launching the live sessions in March. Okay, so that also you can attend free of cost if you have already paid and attended in the site now. So it is up to you. And then going to April, we have the Train the Trainer program. See, as you have seen that my journey had been so wonderful and amazing. I really don't want to stop with myself, but I want other people also to come and get the mantle from me and start reaching out to other corners of the world. See, my aim might be to reach to millions of people. It cannot be done with just me. If you are interested to take up your career in training, then we give you that opportunity to attend the train the trainer with us. And after attending the train the trainer, you will be groomed to such an extent that you will be immediately able to launch a course in our e-commerce site. That opportunity is also given to you. Okay, so your career is, that is going to be a passive income site. You will actually record the course and put it in the e-commerce site. You can, it is going to be a source of passive income where you are not going to be involved. Your course is going to work for you and pay for you. All right. So, and we also have the career guidance program for school students and college students. This is a paid program. We have the prelude session being done free of cost everywhere. But if you want to take the assessment, then we have it as a paid program assessment, and you want a counseling separate one-on-one and all, then we have it as a paid program. So that is going to happen in April. And this career guidance is something which we also do one-on-one, even anytime. Like even if you want to do it now, you can book a session with me and do one-on-one. But if you wanted to do as a group, then it is done in April. We are, on May, we have sales boosting bootcamp. Okay, it's a 2 days program, or it will be 4 weekends of half day each. So anything of that sort. And this sales boosting bootcamp will help you boost your sales. The templates that I'm going to give you is from the world's best trainer, and and there are a couple of my own templates that I have actually made and worked, and it has helped me multiply my business with respect to people, with respect to the revenue, and with respect to getting the productivity from the employees. So all these templates will be given to you. And then coming to June, we have again Success with Communication course and Life Mastery course. Now, Success with Communication is also the same way. Live program is happening in June, but now itself Success with Communication is running and it will be uploaded in the site. If you want to take now also, you can take it by paying in the site. And if you want to attend the live, you can later on also come and attend the live. No issues. Okay. And then July, we have tentatively planned for Secret of Success. That's a program with superhumans for which for children we do. If the lockdown is getting over by then, we will do it. Otherwise, we will replay. We will see how we can bring this course into online. Okay. So this is for the HAS plan for 2021 till July. Going to August, we will have A to Z of parenting. That's a parenting course. September, we have again NLP basic practitioner course. October, we will have Ignite Your Life course. And November, we have Train the Trainer again. And December, we will still have HAS Mastery and Success with Communication. Okay, there's something that are which we do on a regular basis. It's called life coaching. Life coaching we do for aspiring people and college students. We have 3 months package, 6 months package, 1 year package, and two years package, starting from 3,000 per month. Okay, so that is for life coaching. And we also have Leadership Academy, that is for school students and aspiring entrepreneurs. So that is also having a 3 months package, 6 months package, and 1 year and 2 years package, starting from 2,000 per month. And we also have the consultation open to all, the 20-minute session. First session is free. After that, it will have a minimum payment. So the consultation is going to be open to all, but for HAS family members, I would say it's always free. Anytime you can consult, and this 20-minute session is there for you. So this is actually in nutshell what all we have planned for 2021. How many of you really feel this is a wow? Type wow in the chat if you really feel this is amazing and wow. Okay, type wow in the chat. Okay. 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 So thank you. Thank you so much for your great encouragement. Now there is a beautiful activity for you. I want to you to immediately take note of the courses you are interested or you want to know about or you want to register from this list. Okay, it can be like 365 days or this is the basic is 365 days of happiness and success. Then you have ignite your life as the next level. People who have done ignite your life, they can only do has life mastery. Okay, this is like a step-by-step process. So I would say that these three are interconnected. The rest are all independent courses. Okay. All right. So just type. Okay, Vani ma'am want to know about NLP basic. Wonderful. Anybody else? Just type out the courses in the chat which you are currently interested. It can be life coaching. It can be train the trainer, anything. Okay. This is for you to actually think about on what possible ways you can actually start. Yeah, Nitin wants to know about train the trainer. Wonderful. Any other person wants to know about anything else? Okay, Geeta wants to do Ignite Your Life and 365 days. Amazing. Okay, wonderful. And anything else anyone else wants to know about? So you can actually ensure that you are seeing through this. You can even take a screenshot of this and think about it and come back to us. Abhi wants to know about train the trainer. Wonderful. Yes. Okay. Nice. Nice. So also let us know in the, just drop a message to me so that I will also get back to you and give a complete nutshell about the programs so that you will also be given that opportunity. Okay, here is this superb has bonus gift for all of you. All right. Before going that to the has bonus gift, I want you to do something. You all saw the e-commerce site. You all have been seeing a lot of things. I want you to immediately take action. Okay. So Shiva coach will be sharing in the chat the registration for the e-commerce site. Once you register there, you will be given this 20 minutes live coaching free of cost for you. All right, this 20 minutes live coaching has actually changed a lot of people. It has made them realize a lot of things inside them, and it has made them realize what is that step they need to take as of now to immediately shift their mindset to the next level of happiness and success and start working from that. So this 20 minutes is something which will give you a total insight on how you can make this 2021 an amazing thing. So just ensure that you are actually sending a message, but or registering into our website. When you register into our website itself, they will be from my team calling you and asking you for this 20-minute slot. So I'm going to be sharing that link. Okay, link, send it in the chat. Yeah, so Shiva has sent in the chat. Okay, it's in the name of Miss Vani. Okay. She's sent in the chat. Just click on this and make up your registration as of now. So in this link, you will fill the registration details, and the referral code you will actually give it as Has Academy. Okay. So once you're done, you can just type done in the chat. So I think all of you are back from the amazing live interaction and discussion. So how was your experience? I will just, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be allowing you to unmute yourself and talk. So in each group, let me have a couple of you come and share.